Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java string programming playlist, you will learn string programs step by step. This is Java string programming session number 6, string literal and memory basics. If you are confident about learning, like the video, subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option, you may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about how to create a string object. First method we have discussed by string literal. This is the continuation of the previous session. Please watch the session number 5 and then watch the current session. So string literal means what I told you. By using double quotes, if you are creating the object, that is called as a string literal. So two types of memories are available. What is that? Stack and heap memory. So I'll demonstrate with the real-time example program. So here, which one is the reference variable? S1 is my reference variable. So I'm having the reference variable here. Okay, S1. So what is the literal we are storing? It is object Praveen. So what is the rule of SCP, string constant pool? So before storing the object, you will check whether it is already present this SCP or not. So in the name of Praveen, nothing is present. So first it will create that Praveen object here. Double quotes Praveen. So this object is stored in the SCP. Okay. So now this S1 is pointing the which one? Praveen object. This S1 is now pointing the S1 reference variable is pointing the Praveen object. Okay. So I'm minimizing this. Let's rotate it like this. This one is referring this Praveen. Okay. Yeah. Next. Another one. What is that? S2 reference variable. So S2 reference will be stored in the SCP. What is that? Stack memory. S2 reference variable is stored in the stack memory. Got it? So what's that object we are storing? Kandan. So it will check whether in the name of Kandan anything is present in that SCP. No. In the name of Kandan, there is no object like Kandan. So it will stored in the SCP. This object is now stored in the SCP. Okay. So here S2 refers that is pointing the which one? Kandan. This S2 is now pointing the Kandan. Okay. Okay, so now this S2 is referring the Kandan. Again, I'm creating one more reference variable. What is that? Means S3. Okay, I'm giving Praveen. So this time what will happen? As usual, first of all, S3 variable stored in the reference variable where S3 reference will be stored in the which area? Stack memory area. Stack memory area. S3 variable stored in the stack memory area. After that, what is that? We are storing Praveen. So what is the SCP rule? First of all, we will check whether in the name of Praveen anything is present. Yes, SCP area already we having the object Praveen. So it will not create a new string. It will not create a new object Praveen. Instead of that, S3 will simply mark which one? This Praveen itself. Okay, this Praveen itself. S3 will do it. So we can rotate it a little bit. Yeah, or for understanding purpose, I'm using here, so then it's easy to understand. Okay, this S3 is also referring which one, this Praveen itself. Okay, this S3 is also referring Praveen itself. Because Praveen is already present in the SCP, it won't waste the memory. It will save the memory. That's the logic behind that. It is saving the memory. Because SCP already we having the Praveen. Why have to create it? So what are the advantage, real-time applications? All these things we'll discuss in the upcoming session. Okay. So please wait for that update. So we have clearly explained. So what is by reference variable, where it will store, what is the rule of string constant pool, and then what's its roles, and then its advantages. All these things we have discussed now. The forthcoming session will discuss what is by string interning. If you found this session useful, like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Have queries, drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.